part of our project L405, we're going to upgrade the rotary gear selector. So this is the one that comes up, and we'll show you that in a minute, and goes back down when you turn the ignition on and off. The standard one, even in our Vogue SE, which is quite a high spec model, is this leather, and it's sort of got a leather side to it, and we're going to upgrade it to one of these. Oh, let me you dig that one out there for me. To one of these SVO autobiography style, which has got this sort of nailed diamond pattern on, and we're going to do that because we've upgraded some other SVO accessories. You can see our armrests here if I focus it right there. What else did we upgrade the other day?
Coat hooks in the back.
Oh yeah, we got the little B-pillar coat hooks there in the autobiography finish. We're going to add some other bits around the starters, so keep an eye on that. Right, so this one now, so first thing we need to do is turn the ignition off. I think it's easier to do it that way, and you see how that's disappeared. Now there are we've got a couple of things to discuss here. You've got a choice of tops. You can go with the diamond finish top, which we're going to go for, but in the pack we do also put in one of these turned finish tops that you could decide to put in, so you've got the choice of that. Now there's two actual different gear knobs that look the same. Just fish that one out. But the difference is the underside. Now we haven't worked out exactly which one. They look the same-ish. They're slightly different. Look, you've got like 2 non-grooves, and that one's got like 4 holes through it. This one's only got, well, none. But the difference is the bottom. That's got 4 pegs sticking up, and that one's got this sort of, how many? 4 things, but it's 5. Sort of asymmetric. You've got this missing. You got, yeah, it looks a little. Oh, it does look a little turtle. Look, yeah, it's swimming. Right. So yeah, it's a turtle or a 4-pin one. Now we did think we understood which it was, but some people with an early L405, which we've got, reckon they've got the Evoque one. But anyway, let's have a look which we've got. The process is the same, but it may be if you order one, you may not. You may have to swap it back with us. Right, so Ian's got a little tool that comes with it, and it's a way of going in and levering out the little, what sort of technology is nothing very complicated on the back of there.
It's just a self-adhesive ring on there. You've just got to get underneath it.
Yeah, you can see this. You can see this sticky tape, yeah. Right, and then in the middle there we've got a little Torx. Now, one of the kits comes with a torque driver, one of them doesn't. I'm not quite sure what's happening there. Torx T20, you reckon? Looks like it.
Looks about right. Yeah, it's about T20. Try not to twist too hard on it, but yeah, I've got to get it done.
Good, right, so let's have a look at that little screw there. Always like to. So he's quite a coarse thread. He's not a machine thread, is he? He's semi-self-tapping. Right then, that's that. And then you can fish that out.
Is it easier just to put it up?
You reckon?
If you just start the car for us.
Wait, there he is. Look at that, it's like it's coming up for you. Okay. Ah, we can clearly see we've got the turtle type on there, haven't we?
Yeah.
So there we go.
This one, yeah.
So let's have the turtle type. I like that.
So that is the early one?
I think that is the early one. We'll have a look anyway. But yeah, so put the turtle one on there. You got it right?
I think so.
Is he a bit tight? Does he need to squidge down? Oh, it's up anyway, isn't it? Of course. Yeah. There we go. Put that on. Yeah, I got my foot on the brake. That's all right, Ian.
I knew you did.
Right, and then we're gonna put in the we're gonna go for the diamond finish top. Peel the double-sided. We should have prepared that before the video. We should have been pros. Well, we've got that little bits of a diesel. It doesn't matter really which way you want it pointing. Do you reckon some people will want it so that when they're in drive the diamonds are pointing forward or something?
I think the finish means that you can't really
tell.
But it's going to twist as you twist.
So is that exactly what I'm saying? Yeah. So look, let's have a look. There we go. So there it is. Let's check it all works and goes. Yeah. So that's all good.
And then when you turn it off,
There we go, turn it off, it should disappear, and that looks sweet. There we go, so that's the SVO gear, rotary gear selector upgrade. Good luck with that.